What's up, everyone? This is Anywhere But Here's 2-minute travel tip. Today is Thursday. I am Fly Girl TW. Let's get it. This week's tip is all about packing, guys. So, in order to avoid any inconvenience or the possibility of you forgetting an important article, my tip for the week is to download a packing list. Now, of course, you can write your own packing list, but what good is that? Because that's generally when you forget the things that you need is when you're trying to manage that independently. Take a look at Google. There's lots of different options of packing slips. You can either download and print or just manage and monitor it while you're looking at the screen to ensure that you have everything that you need. So, get that packing list out. Vacation is fun, but packing can definitely be tricky, especially when you think you've got everything that you needed that you're supposed to take, and then once you get to your arrival, you've realized you've forgotten some of the most important things. What's generally forgotten? Toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, personal items, things like that. Swimming suit cover up. So trust me, guys, when I say download or at least locate one of the packing slips, and it's as easy as google.com, and it'll allow you to print those off if you need to. I hope that this is a great tip for you. Next week we'll focus a little bit more on how to pack, because of course at airports when you check in, most airlines now do even charge for the first bag, and there's that waiting piece that you want to take into consideration. So, once you download your sheet, jot down a comment or a message and let me know whether that was helpful or not. As I'm giving you these Thursday 2-minute tips, I really want to make sure that I'm giving you information that's vital and important to you. So, just let me know. Anyway, I am Fly Girl TW with Anywhere But Here, Thursday's 2-minute travel tip, and I am